So hello guys and welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be talking about the result of the FOMC meeting that we saw today and what the result of that and what the price changes after that meeting was. So we're going to be talking about how that affected Bitcoin and what the outcome of the meeting was. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do that, please do make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen right now, and if we can see right here, our overall market down in market cap of around 7.34%, so down about a big percent in the past 24 hours. Our feed and greed is currently at a 56, still in the neutral, and our overall market seems to be down. So let's just take a look at Bitcoin right now. The basic overview: $42,434 and down about 0.42% in the past hour, down about 1.21% in the past 24 hours, and still up by 5.8% in the past 7 days. So let's just take a look at the daily graph of Bitcoin, and let's just talk about what has happened. So if we just take a look at the left panel first, we can see our market cap is at $831 billion right now, down about 1.26% in the past 24 hours. And if we look at our daily volume, we are trading at around 24.5 billion right now. So we are back to our regular trading volume that we used to see in Bitcoin, and we are back to around the 20 to 25 billion dollar range in volume that we see every day, and that is pretty nice to see. And if we take a look at this daily graph right here, we can see our price trading 24 hours was 42.91k. So this was our price 24 hours ago, and we were in the red for the first couple hours of today. We were slightly in the green, and we were moving sideways in the green, so that wasn't much positive movement, but we did just go a little above that green line, and then we headed back into the red, and that was our basically choppy sideways movement. But then we headed on to our higher prices of today early in the morning, around 10-11 p.m. This is where we started seeing this price change into the positive side, and we did trade in the mid $43,000 range for a couple hours. We did reach as high as 43.7k in midday, so around 1 p.m. So that was also nice to see, and then we did come back down after that. So let's head over to what we are going to talk about today, which was an article about the FOMC meeting and what that led to. So let's head over to cryptonews.com, and this is our article that we have pulled up. So if we read the article title, we can see it says Bitcoin dips to 42.4k as Fed's Powell pours cold water on March rate cuts. So let's just go over this article really quick and talk about what it's saying. It says Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell tempered expectations of an imminent interest rate cut in March during Wednesday's FOMC press conference. Bitcoin dipped to around 42.3k, while crypto majors Ethereum, ADA, fell 3 to 4%, with Solana tumbling over 6%. Bitcoin remained in a channel consolidating without clear direction between $42,000 and $44,000, Swiss Block said. Cryptocurrencies tumbled lower Wednesday, with Bitcoin sliding below $43,000 as Federal Reserve Jerome Powell's hawkish comments cooled hopes about the imminent rate cut. In a universally anticipated move, the Fed left its benchmark Fed funds rate change at 5.25 to 5.5% following the first Federal Open Market Committee meeting of the year. market participants were more keen to monitor clues about when the Feds might start lowering rates, with many observers expecting it to happen as soon as next meeting in March. So in this meeting, the rates were left unchanged, and we are still seeing the same interest rates ranging from 5.25 to 5.5%, and that is said to be changed soon. Now some people are expecting it to change in March, which will be the next meeting, so that is yet undecided, and we are yet to talk if that is gonna change. So that will be our next meeting. So that was about it. All we saw was just the slide in prices after this announcement that the rate was unchanged and we didn't see a cut. So we saw some cryptocurrencies slide 3 to 4%. We saw Solana slide to 6%. So that was big deals for these cryptocurrencies after this announcement. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did go over what the outcome of today's meeting was and what we did see after the announcement was made that the rates were left unchanged, and we just took a brief overview of Bitcoin's current price. So that was it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, I do daily live streams on this channel talking about what's going on in the crypto market right now and the recent price changes, any recent price news. So we talk about everything on that live stream, so do make sure to tune in daily. And I also create regular crypto content on this channel, talking short form content and videos talking about these newses for you guys. So do make sure to tune in daily for these videos. And if you like this video, please do make sure to click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this and keeping you informed about the crypto community. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.